Here, and I'm doing some Square-1 walkthrough solves. So I average around 2022, but I did get an official 18 average at Oregon 2016. That also got me second. Okay, so here's the first scramble. Okay, so this scramble, I can get it to scallop in about 2 or 3 slices. So I'll do a 6 on the top and a 3 on the bottom slice, minus 3 on the bottom, minus 1, then that got scallop, so then you just solve that. Then I see that there's this block right here, so I'll put it in like that. Then I don't know this case, but I know that I can solve that with M2, which is it's minus 1, 1, 1, slice, yeah. Then I would do a 4 and a minus 3. Then I would do this case, the 1 swap, just like that. Then I notice these corners and these corners, so I'll do that. Then I see I have a U-perm on top and a Z-perm on the bottom, so I'll do the Z-perm on bottom, which is M2, like D prime, yeah. And then I'll do that, do the U-perm, U2, and done. Okay, next scramble. I'm not the fastest at scrambling, but I can get it done. So it looks like we have scallop and a fist on the bottom, so I can get it to scallop kite in 2 or 3 slices. So I'll do that, which is minus 4 on the top and minus 2 on the bottom slice to get it to this case. Then I would do a 2 on the bottom and a minus 3 on the top slice, then it's scallop kite, which is just that. Then I see that there's this big block right here, then there's that edge, so I would preserve that like that, do that to get CO, then it's another 1 swap. Then I would do a 6 on the bottom, do that case, which is a diagonal swap on the top and an adjacent on the bottom. And now there's 2 U-perms, so I don't know the 2 U-perms algs, so I would just do 1 on the bottom, then I would do it on the top. So here's the third scramble. Here I'm making sure I'm not losing the scrambles. So second scramble, or not second, third scramble. Let's see. Okay. So it looks like there's barrel shield, which is a pretty nice case. So from here, I would do a minus 2 on the top and a 2 on the bottom. And then that would get this case, which you can get to scallop. Then, because I have yellow on top, I have to bring up one of these big sections. And then I would get this last corner up. And then I know this 2 swap. then it's adjacent diagonal swap. Then there's an H-perm on the top and U-perm on the bottom. So I would do the U-perm on the bottom. Then I would do this H-perm, which is that. Then I set it up so that when I do this, it's a U2 and a D2 away from being solved. Okay, so fourth scramble. Okay. Okay, so now here I can get it to shield square in one slice. So I would do a 6 on the top, slice, square on the bottom, and then shield. So set it up so that the square is lined right here. And then this is part of the U-perm alg, which gets it into fist. Then it's pretty simple for that one. Now for this, I would do a -3 on the top, -1 to get this section up. And then I can get that. And I already knew that these were going to be set up for the 1 foot for the 1 swap. And then it's a double adjacent swap. Then U-perm on the bottom and O-perm on the top, which I believe it's this one. No, it's not. I just don't like O-perms. So, if I were to mess up an O-perm, then I would do an H-perm alg. Then, because that one was swapped like this, I would just cancel into that. So, here's the fifth scramble, fifth and final one. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, so here's the scramble. So I can get this into scallop shield, or scallop kite, not shield, in 2 or 3 slices. It usually takes around 2 or 3 to get it to a case I can do pretty fast, but right here I would do a 4 slice, -1, 6 slice, then it's into scallop shield. Then, because most of the yellow is on the bottom, I have to put it onto the top, like that, preserving that edge. And then, this is a bad case for this one, I would have to make it into this, which, if I were better at looking ahead, then I could cancel into that M2, then do the 1 swap. Which, with my 1 swap alg, I know that I'm going to have parity on the bottom and U-perm on the top. I would not notice that in a solve though, because I'm going very slow. I can see that. So now I believe I know this alg. I'm hoping I don't mess that up. Yeah. So now I can do a -3 on the bottom. Do that. Do a slice 6, solved. So I know I could have done better at explaining stuff, but this was just a quick video for my channel on Square-1. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.